Okay, next up for our completed work demo, we have a matching set, a duo of walnut instruments made from the same board, ordered by the same customer. It's number 276 and 275. This is a walnut and pistachio concert scale banjo uke, and then a walnut and pistachio mini 5-string. So the walnut for these is from one big board that I have left from this retired furniture maker from the Dalles, one town over. And it was funny, when I bought all that walnut from him, I thought it was so much money, and I was never going to use it all up, and now it's all gone. But it's important too because I also bought a drill press from him, and it was my first, vintage, mid-century cast iron, American-made tool. It's this Craftsman drill press. And so it's sentimental for me, that board of walnut and that tool. That drill press now, it gets used every time I drill the hole in the end of the dowel stick. It's all that it gets used for. But anyway, beautiful piece of walnut. Got some nice light curl to it. Beautiful straight grain. And it looks great in the rim too. I chose for the fretboard on the concert scale one, kind of a one-tone fretboard and a two-tone head plate, because the 5-string one's a little crazier looking. And the 5-string. So same board of walnut to make the neck and the rim as the concert one. And for the fretboard, in the head plate, the pistachio fretboard and head plate, really beautiful layout, multicolored piece. Really shows the diversity of what the pistachio can look like. Beautiful. So it's a pleasure and an honor to make a little matching set. I hope their numbers are next to each other. I hope they stick together forever. So, thanks a lot.